This is Nathan's Cavapoo Girl Princess, and she's apricot and white, and Abigail's holding her, and we're just taking pictures here at Nathan's house. She's got some white, showing the white underneath, under her chin, and she's a beautiful Cavapoo girl. She is tiny.
It's curly.
She's probably about 5 pounds.